All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like Brad and Bruce and David and DB and DMT and Dwayne and Edwin and Gary and Hal and Matt Jollywally and Mike and another Mike and Mo and Reginald and Ricardo and Robert and Steve and Steven and Tim and Vicky. We are all here together trading live. So welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. Big news over the weekend, y'all. Papa Biden dropped out of the race, and it looks as though Kamala, or I don't know how to say her name, Kamala Harris is the presumptive Democratic nominee, but I would say not so fast, my friends, because Daddy Barack did not, listen to this, did not endorse Kamala, which means I don't think that she's going to be the Democratic nominee. Mark my words. I think it's going to be someone else. I really do. I don't think it's going to be her. I don't think she stacks up well against Trump. And I think there's probably folks that are much stronger. And I got a feeling that you're going to see them replace her with somebody else. Who will it be? I don't know, but this is going to be interesting. So, wow, going to be something. He may endorse Michelle. It could be. And I think Michelle would win. Y'all, if she ran, I think Michelle could be the next president if she ran. But we'll see. Anyway, doesn't really matter what we do. The market's up 25 points today, up almost 0.5%. Which is really good. We were up much more. Our high was 56.08 on the day. VIX is in the 15 handle, AD 168, hard to tell on volume. So let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster is at the 50% mark, and that was resistance, and we hit the resistance, and we come back down a little bit. So it will probably still want to be able to pop back up here at some point today or the next few days because it doesn't like that little gap there. And if we look at the linear regression says we are oversold, even though the Big Green Monster says we are perfectly priced. So I think, here we are here. Let's see if we get a bounce off this and head back up, or if we continue heading down. So let's see how our little account's doing. We should be down. We trade this one once a week, and we had all that volatility last week where the market was down. So we should expect to be down a little bit. So we were at 136.36. Today, we're at 128. 339.37. So we are down just a bit on the year. So not on the year, but on the day, down $2,200. But our positions are perfectly safe. And, theta decay is going to come out, y'all. As long as your positions are safe, theta decay will come out at some point or another. So let's see how our little Greeks and ratios are done here today. Let's see. We don't want the dashboard. We don't want this. We want to do this and hide that and do this and that. Here we go. So let's see what our Greeks and ratios are. Which account is this? It is this one. So we are at 261, 184. 261, 184. And the VIX we said was in the 15 handle. So we're a little red there. And let's see what our buying power is. Our buying power is, gotta go to positions, count requirement, at 33,541. 33,541. So we are using 26% of our buying power. Yes. All right. And our theta is nice. Look at that theta, y'all. 0.14. Groovy. So why don't we go over here and say, we're negative 68 there. I think we put on a trade. Diagnose your patient. Doctor, we're going a little bit fast, but our theta is beautiful. Look at that, just gorgeous theta. And we're only using 26% of our buying power. I mean, I think we put on the trade. So let's do that. Let's do what we do best. Let's see if any of our trades say we need to do anything to any of them here. Let's see. We got close here. Why does that say close? Why does that say close and that one doesn't say close? Oh, it's because it's a naked put. Did I not close that naked put? Wow, did I let one expire? That doesn't sound like me. Huh. Well, let's see what happened there. Naked put, let's see, would have closed at 0, and the debit spread would have closed at 0. And they would have closed 3 days ago, so that would have been 7/19. 7/19/24. Surely I didn't let something expire like that. 7/19/24. All right, that looks good. See if anything else says close or has negative days on it. No, 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 no. Let's get rid of this and do this and just show our blanks. So that's your open positions. That's how you do your open positions. So everything looks good. No closing signals at all. So let's put us on a trade. And I think we're going to do a ES. So let's do it. Let's go over here. And let's go and do, let's see, we want to trade ES. Don't forget, Tom Preston, TP from Tasty Trade, will be on with us on Thursday. Looking forward to that. So that should be really good. And let's see, trade. So we'll go to 120 days. So we've got 116 here. And we want to find us some nakeds for about 10% probability of being in the money. So we got these 4900s at 34.25 maybe. Hey, we got it at 34.25. 4900, 34.25. 4900, 34.25. And we'll put ES there. We did one contract. This will be NP17, puts, naked, 116. Did y'all get scared last week with your positions at all? Did anybody go, oh no, I can't believe I'm doing the 111. Oh my God, this is the most horrible strategy. Surely y'all didn't do that. I just want to make sure nobody pukes your positions. That's why it's good to have a team where you trade with, because we know, we can come in here and just be all kind of calm and make sure that we don't puke positions. Worst thing to do is start puking positions. You don't want to do that at all. All right, so let's put a put debit spread in, y'all. So we want to go to about the 25 delta. So that's about here. So if we did the 5,400, 53.50 for $10. Darn it. 5,400, 53.50. Let's go up to 10 and a quarter. 5,400, 53.50 for 10 and a quarter. 5,400, 53.50 for 10 and a quarter. And by the way, in the description below, there's a link where you can join our Discord for 7 days for free and see if it's for you. I think we got a good group. And here's where you want to be a member of the group is when crap hits the fan. You say, oh, things are kind of smooth right now. No need to be in the group. Wait till crap hits the fan. Then you're going to be wish you was there going, what do I do? So let's see, 2010, 25. So these were 17. So let's go put them in. So let's go positions. And ES 17. So we did the 5,400, 53.50 is NP 17. I mean, PDS 17. PDS 17. And right here was the 4,900 was naked put 17. All right, guys, that's how you do it. Hope you have a great, wonderful day. I will see y'all tomorrow.